Today we're going to walk through the process of how to install a Tomlinson Hot Cold faucet. Before you begin, make sure you're using a non-pressurized open vent hot water dispenser tank. Next, determine where the faucet will be installed. The cutout for the faucet should have a diameter between 1 inch and 1 1/4 inches. Next, assemble your necessary supplies. For the faucet installation, you'll need safety glasses, a Tomlinson Hot Cold faucet, the mounting hardware which is included with the faucet, pliers, a wrench, and either a saddle clamp, quick connect, or another approved plumbing connection method. Now that we've assembled our necessary supplies, we can begin the process of setting up the hardware for the faucet. We'll begin by taking our rubber gasket and feeding all of the tube through the gasket with the raised end facing the base of the faucet. Now we'll take our hardware, beginning with our spacer, our flat washer, the lock washer, and then finally the mounting nut, which will thread on loosely, followed by the hose adapter. Now that we've threaded on our mounting nut and our hose adapter, we're going to take our silicone tube and put the hose clamps on both ends of the tube. To open and tighten the hose clamps, we'll use our pliers and pinch the ears to open, then release to close. We'll now slide our silicone tube over the hose adapter, and then take our pliers to open the hose clamp, slide it over the hose adapter, then release it in the middle of the hose adapter to secure the silicone tube. We'll now feed all of our tubing through the cutout that's in the countertop. Now that we've brought the tubing through the cutout, we're going to take our mounting washer, position it between the countertop and the spacer, then tighten our mounting nut so the faucet barely moves. We'll do a final positioning of the faucet, and then finish tightening the mounting nut. We'll now connect our hot water, cold water, and supply lines. We'll begin with our silicone tube for our hot water connection. And you're going to want to shorten this tube to prevent any sort of unnecessary slack or kinking in the line. We'll now take our shortened tube, position it over the hot water tank outlet, and then again we're going to take our pliers to pinch the hose clamp, position the hose clamp in the middle of the hot water tank outlet, then release to secure. Now we'll secure our cold water connection by taking our 1/4 inch blue supply line, and then we're going to use a quick connect here, and we're going to apply enough pressure to make sure that our line is fully seated in the quick connect. Finally, we'll take our yellow supply line, and we'll repeat this process in the quick connect, again making sure that you're applying some pressure to make sure it's fully seated. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 216-587-3400, extension 279.